Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you an easy way how you could fix a Lenovo camera not working for you. So technically, let's say that you have tried all the software ways to fix it. You have uninstalled, reinstalled the drivers, you have changed the settings, still not working. Hence, the issue might be that your camera is being manually locked or covered. So go to your laptop and check if the camera has a little button like this on top of it. If it has it, then it means that the camera is locked manually. Sometimes it's not the case. You don't see this button here in the top. So if your camera shows like red dot, blue dot, or it looks covered, you don't see the lens inside of this plastic, then go to your keyboard and check for in the F line here, check for a button which is showing a camera logo. For example, here it's showing the keyboard, but in your case, it should show a camera. Click on it and check again your camera. If after clicking on it, the camera appears like this, so just click on Fn and the button which is showing the camera logo and check. If it opens and starts working, that's fine. If not, just click on the F button which has the camera on it on its own and check again, and it should work. Personally, I had this issue on a Lenovo laptop and it worked for me, and it worked also for some of my friends. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.